Nikhil, any magical moment can you like recall from the Go classes course from any subject, machine learning, AI, DBMS, algo, linear algebra, any magical moment that okay, this was the wow moment when you were going through the lecture or annotated notes or the practice questions. Some wow moment can you remember?
Like I think the normal forms also I understood it better in DBMS when I went through Go classes. Like previously when I did it in my bachelor's program, it was like tough. I didn't understand it that much. And also like there was that, what do you say, functional dependencies, closure sets. That was very difficult, but I did it on Go classes that I understood better. SVM and stuff also, it helped a lot. And I think AI was completely new. I never learned AI. So all the topics in AI, I use Go classes. So there, those questions on Gibbs sampling and all of that, that was like direct from the syllabus, from the lectures itself.
We will share this with Anjali ma'am also, so she will
Yes.
also be very proud.